Dang, almost lost my balance there. I should have done my hair before heading out. Here, have a little propaganda. So it is 10:39 p.m. Sunday, February 13th, 2022, and yay, I'm on Mill Avenue. How cool is that? I'm from. That was sketchy. There is a bird scooter. I'm planning on taking a bird scooter the rest of the way, but I think I'll walk this, because I don't walk this enough, and it always makes for some interesting footage. So as I was saying a couple videos ago, before I had to cut myself short because there was my bus, and there's another bird. Was that, in fact, I see plenty of birds. Ooh, I think I see a bird that's lit up. I might have me a free ride here. Anyway, yes, I might have me a free ride. But first I'm going to tie my shoe. So anyway, when I lived here, I used to... when I lived in Tempe, and before I got my CRX, I used to have the bus schedules for all the immediate nearby routes listed, actually cut out from the bus book and listed on my wall. And it was the buses used to run until like 2 in the morning in Tempe. And now most buses in Phoenix run until around midnight-ish. And it looks like most everything in Tempe stops at about 10. So, yeah, it's 10:41. I don't think I can get a bus down Mill Avenue at this point. I didn't double check the map, but that's what it's looking like. Oh yeah, this one's unlocked. Anyway, I'm gonna cut this short because I looks like I found me a free ride to the bar. But anyway, hey, thanks for coming with me. This is fun.